last one for assignment for lesson 4, and we're going to read a financial statement, or actually financial report, and it's the one we've been playing with Amazon for about 2-3 weeks now. So let me bring that up. This is the answer key. It's pretty well laid out. It's kind of a plug and chug. So, but let me show you where to find this stuff in the financial sheet. Here's your financial sheet. It's really very long, but I think there are 70-some pages on this, so it's a fairly good size report. It's asking you about current assets and current liabilities and balance sheet accounts. So you're going to go to the balance sheet, and the first question is what kind of format is this? So look in the book and figure out what kind of format they're using for their financial statements. The next question is, what's their largest current asset for 2009? Well, here's their current assets. It's really nice of them. They mark them for you. So here's their current assets, and the largest one happens right here. So that's a fairly easy one to find. The next thing they ask you, and then they ask you about the largest current liability, which is going to be your accounts payable. And then they're going to ask you to do a current ratio using those numbers. And they're going to have you compare 2008 to 2009. You'll find that ratio, or that ratio's calculation in the book and on the answer sheet. And it asks, what category does Amazon report furniture, fixtures, and equipment? And if you read down into the notes, and yeah, you have to read a little bit, and it will tell you how those are classified. And if you get to depreciation of fixed assets, it will tell you exactly how they're classified. And ask what kind of category they're under. And then it asks you to find the total cost of the fixed assets that are being depreciated. And the activity, or the assignment sheet, tells you to go to note 4. So you just have to scroll down, note 3. You have to scroll down until you get to note 3. It's coming, I promise you. And you can see this is very extensive. What you have to, the notes have to be very clear. They have to be transparent. Here's note 3. And this will show you, this is the total cost, because this is what they paid for, the cost on book. This is the accumulated depreciation right here. This becomes their book value. So it's really easy to read these. It's just having the patience to be able to go through them. So I think this is a good activity. I would really look through this whole financial report so you can kind of get a feel for what you're doing and how it shows up on the financials of a company, and then how they have to explain everything that they do, which is very, very important. So there you go. We are done with lesson 4. Thank you for listening.